there is a clear and present danger of Ruth exploding with excitement, it's a good thing her surgery day comes around quickly. Best friend Mia comes along to help her settle in.
It's not all makeup.
You are makeup.
Ruth's thought long and hard about surgery. She's talked it over with her family, weighed up the options and decided to go ahead. In fact, she's gagging for it to start.
I'm so excited. Knock me out.